Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very simple program in Python to add two numbers and print out the result in the terminal. So it's a very beginner friendly programming tutorial inside Python. If you haven't programmed before in Python, this will be a complete beginner tutorial. So for this you should have Python installed on your terminal. If you haven't, then simply install Python. I am having the latest version of Python. You can see 3.10.5. So now the way by which you can actually create a program, it's very simple. Unlike other programming languages, Python is very simple when it comes to simply create a app.py file, and right here you simply, in order to add two numbers, we need to declare variables where we can store something. So I will say a is equal to 5. So this is by which we can declare variables in Python. So essentially we are giving the value 5 to this variable. A is equal to 5. Similarly, we can declare another variable b is equal to 5. So here, as you know, unlike other programming languages, you need to mention the data type. Let's suppose if you're declaring integer, you need to specify here int. But in Python, you don't need to do this. That's why it's very simple. Now to actually add these two numbers, what we can do, we can directly write this, print out the result like a plus b. Very simple. So this will add these two numbers and print out the result directly to the terminal. So if I execute this Python program, you will see it will print out 5 plus 5 comes out to be 10. So 10 is printed out. There is another way that you can do. You can declare a third variable and then just store this addition inside this third variable and then print out the result. So both these approaches will yield the same result. You will see 10 is printed out. So this is a very basic addition of two numbers program inside Python. You first of all declare these two variables, then store the result a plus b and then print it out. So very simple. In this way you can subtract as well. 5 plus 5 comes out to be 0. So this operator can be anything, multiplication, divide, anything. So this is essentially the program here inside Python. You will see that it's very simple. We don't need to specify the data type. We can directly declare variables and then we can print out this result. So in this easy way you can make this program of addition of two numbers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.